In today's video, I am going to show you how to edit DNS on HostGator hosting. Whether you're setting up a new site or updating an existing one, knowing how to manage your DNS is a must. Let's get started. First, head to HostGator.com. At the top right corner, click Sign In. Enter your account email and password, and you'll be taken to your HostGator dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the domain section. This is where you'll see all the domains linked to your HostGator account. Click Domains to continue. Now, find the domain you want to modify and click on its Settings option. This is where all your domain's configuration tools live. Inside Settings, click Advanced Tools. From here, select Advanced DNS Records to see the full list of records associated with your domain. Here, you'll see different DNS records like A records, CN, AME, and MX records. To make changes, click Manage. You can edit, add, or remove entries as needed. If you're adding a new record, be careful. Accuracy matters. A wrong entry could make your site unreachable. Double check everything before saving. Once saved, you'll be taken to the Manage Advanced DNS Records panel. This gives you a complete view of all your updated entries. Review carefully to confirm the changes are correct. And that's it. You've successfully edited your DNS records on HostGator. With this knowledge, you can easily manage domains and keep your website running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.